In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a lightbox to images and galleries in Squarespace. A lightbox is a simple, elegant way to let visitors click an image and see it enlarged in a sleek overlay without leaving the page. It's great for portfolios, product shots, or any place where detail matters. Let's walk through the exact workflow so you can set it up quickly and confidently. Start by opening your Squarespace website and head to Pages. Choose the page where you want the lightbox effect and click Edit to enter the page editor. We'll create a clean spot for the image by selecting Add section, then pick Add blank. This gives you a fresh canvas so spacing and layout are easy to manage. Inside the New section, click Add block and choose Image. You'll see an empty image block appear. Click into it to open the image editor. If you already have a photo, you can upload it here. If not, click Browse Stock Images to search the built-in library. Select a visual that fits your style, and then click Add Image. Squarespace will drop it right into the block. With the image in place, click the image again to open its settings. You'll find options to adjust layout, crop, and design. Look for the Lightbox settings in the Design panel. Click Lightbox Theme to enable the feature and reveal style choices. You can preview how the lightbox looks on your site as you go. Next, choose between the light overlay and the dark overlay for the background behind your enlarged image. The light option keeps things airy and works well on bright sites, while the dark overlay creates a cinematic feel that makes the content pop. Try both quickly to see which one complements your brand and improves readability of any captions or details. If you switch overlays and want to compare, use the built-in preview until you're happy with the look. Once you're satisfied with the image, the theme, and the overlay, click Save at the top to lock in your changes. Always make sure you save before navigating away so you don't lose your design tweaks. That's it for a single image. If you're building a gallery, you'll use the same approach within a gallery block. Add the block, insert your images, open the design settings, and apply the lightbox style you prefer. The effect is consistent, and visitors can click through images without leaving the page. Give it a test on your live page to confirm the zoomed view, navigation, and overlay color all behave as expected. With those steps, your images and galleries will feel polished and professional.